Air duct liners deteriorating inside your ducts can seriously mess with your home's air quality and energy bills, so you gotta know when to replace those liners. Okay, so first off, if you notice a musty smell or see dust blowing out like crazy, that's a red flag your air duct liners are breaking down. Over time, these liners trap dirt and moisture, which can cause them to get all crumbly or moldy. The trick is to schedule a professional duct inspection every couple of years to catch problems early before things get nasty. When it comes time to replace, don't just slap on any liner. Make sure it's the right type for your system, usually fiberglass or foil-faced liners that resist moisture and last longer. Also, keep an eye on your HVAC system's airflow. If it feels weaker or uneven, deteriorated liners might be the culprit blocking the air. You can try cleaning your ducts yourself with a vacuum, but once liners start falling apart, replacement is really the only fix. And don't forget to keep your whole system well maintained with regular filter changes and tune-ups to avoid stressing those ducts. Taking care of your duct liners saves money on energy by keeping air flowing smooth and clean. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with air duct liner replacement is ignoring signs of damage until it gets worse, which just means higher repair costs and poor indoor air quality. To fix that, stay proactive by scheduling routine inspections even if you think everything's fine. Another common problem is hiring unlicensed contractors who might use cheap materials or do sloppy work. Always check reviews, licenses, and references before letting anyone touch your ducts. Lastly, many people overlook sealing the ducts properly after liner replacement, which causes air leaks and wastes energy. Make sure your contractor uses proper sealing techniques like mastic or metal tape to keep leaks out. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who specialize in HVAC and ductwork, making your search way easier. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid platform to find new clients looking for pro help with projects like air duct liner replacement.